Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and I just want to show you a project that I've been working on for my employees at work. And I'm using this treat topper from Mama Elephant die, and this cuts out what looks like this. And it has a nice score line right here in the middle, so you can just take it and fold it right down, and then I use my bone folder and then this is going to go on one of these Ziploc bags that I got at Hobby Lobby. I can just put it right over that, and I can just use my double-sided adhesive to tape it on, or I could staple it. I don't think I'd glue it. I think that the glue might come off of this plastic. And then I'm going to fill this with the 100 grand bars. I'm waiting for to go to the grocery tomorrow to get them, but they are the 100 grand bars, and I'm going to put, they're fun sized and they will fit in here, and I think I'm going to put, you know, 2, 3, however many up on each one of these for each one of my employees. And I printed just some words, and it says, "You're worth more than 100 grand." And I did have this all on one sheet to be totally transparent. I had it all on one sheet, but then that didn't fit on my, actually it was like this: "You're worth more than 100 grand. And I guess I could have made it work something like that, but it would stick off on both sides, and I didn't really want to do that, and I'll show you why here in just a second. But all I'm doing is I took a little bit of my adhesive, put it on the back top of this one, and I'm just kind of putting it down. And then the 100 grand one, and "You're worth more than," I just cut it so that it fit the way I wanted it to. And then I'm just putting a little bit of adhesive on the back of this, but I'm not touching all of it, so like this part doesn't have any adhesive on it. So then I stick the 100 grand on, and I just kind of put it down wherever. And then because this part doesn't have adhesive on it, I'm holding on to that and just fitting it on wherever I think looks cute. So then some of it sticks off over here, and that's fine. So it says, "You're worth more than 100 grand. Thanks for all your hard work, Tammy." And then what I'm going to do is I made a lot of little clips, and I made some magnets because I wasn't sure. I don't really think that the guys on my team will like clips. I think the girls will like the paper clips, and so I'm thinking I can just put the paper clips on like something like this, or even like here or whatever. So I have lots of different clips that I can use. And then what I did is I put magnets on some of them, and I have this box of magnetic business cards, and what it's for is for you to use your business card and take off the adhesive and put your business card here. But you can get these at any office supply store, and they're really thin, so you can just cut them with scissors. So that's what I did. I cut them down, and I just put them on the back because these aren't heavy at all, and you know, this isn't going to hold a big heavy weight or anything. But I did some of them with magnets and some of them with clips, and I think the magnet ones, I was trying to decide how I want to put them on. I think I'm just going to use some of my double-sided adhesive and just put a little bit on the back, and I'll just let them know that, hey, that's a magnet, because I know that that adhesive will come off. So I could peel this off, and look, it even comes off the magnet right there as I peeled it off. So that's kind of neat. I don't know if I'll get that lucky every time, but I thought that's what I would do. So then this is what they will look like. Something like this with the little treats on the inside. Isn't that cute? I thought that was just fun. Something to appreciate my staff and let them know that I think that they are awesome, because they are. And so some will have paper clips, some will have the magnets. I could even, if I wanted to, I could put a little bit of tape on the paper clip and put it on if I didn't want to clip it. So whatever, you know, however you want to do it. But I just thought that was really cute, and yeah, I wanted to show you. So that is my plan. I will bring these to work and give them to them next week. And I am going to get the goodies for the inside tomorrow. And you know what, I was even thinking, I'm like, 100 grand, I don't know if that's a lot of money anymore, but yes it is. It's a lot of money. And that's what the bars are. They're 100 grand bars. So it's just kind of a fun play on words. So I did make several little clips. I don't know if I've showed you all of these or not. I don't think so, but I colored a bunch of little clips and just I colored them and then cut them out and then laminated them and then put clips on them. And I have done a video on how I do my clips. And on these, instead of cutting out another animal and putting it on the back, I just used my little round punch and put those on there. So they're just cute. Fun little things. So I think I have more clips than I need, or more animals than I need. So whatever I have left, I will just be able to have as clips. So I might even give some of them if they want more or whatever. Or maybe I'll just put them on my desk and tell people when they come in if they want to take one, they can. So that is that. That's what I'm working on. And I thought that you guys might like to see it, and maybe it'll inspire you guys to do something like it. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.